obtained without paying or free of charge. It's a gratuitous. 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 Next, drama to be performed by a single man. Drama to be performed by a single man. Monologue. 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 Next words. No talking, please. No noise. Huh? You are. हाँ ठीक. हे काय पट्टी कोणी केली तुमच्याकडे आली ती पट्टी हो कोणी केलं don't do anything on the screen. Next, economic structure organized and controlled by capitalist. Hello students, don't do anything on the screen. Economic structure organized and controlled by capitalist. Capitalism. Huh? Stop करू इथं. ठीक आहे हेच ना स्टॉप economic structure organized and controlled by capitalist. It is capitalism. 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 Elderly women in charge of a girl. Elderly women in charge of a girl. Chaperon. CHAPERON. Expression of mild disapproval. Reproof. REPROW. Next, extreme scarcity of food in a region. Extreme scarcity of food in a region. Famine. 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 Next, eyewitness who makes a broadcast. Eyewitness who makes a broadcast. Commentator. COMMENTO. Spelling COMMENTA. COMMENTA. Commentator. Egg-laying animals that creep or crawl. Egg-laying animals that creep or crawl are reptiles. 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 establishment of the treatment or invalid or convulsant people. Establishment for the treatment of invalid or convulsant people. Sanatorium. SANATORIUM, sanatorium. Extreme old age when a man behaves like a fool. Extreme old age when extreme old age when a man behaves like a fool. It's a senility. SENILITY. Extreme deep crack or opening in the ground. Chasm. CHASM, chasm. Dear friends, this list is very important. Pay attention to it. Your careful attention is important. Next, the words begin with yup. Fear or being in open space. Fear or being in open space. Agoraphobia. AGORAPHOBIA. The spelling of the word seems to be unfamiliar, but you have to do it anyhow. AGORAPHOBIA. Agoraphobia. Next, filled especially religion. Excessive enthusiasm, especially in religion. It's a fanatic. FANATIC, fanatic. Next, fixed. Fixed orbit in space in relation to Earth. Fixed orbit in space in relation to Earth. It's a geostationary. GEOSTATIONARY, geostationary. Next, fear of a dead body. Necrophobia. Necrophobia. Fear of animals. Zoophobia. Fear of books. Bibliophobia. BIBLIOPHOBIO. Then fear of home surroundings. Ecophobia. Phobia means fear of. Ecophobia. Fear or dislike of foreigners. Fear or dislike of foreigners. Xenophobia. PHOBIO phobia means fear of. No talking, no talking. ये आपका समय बहुत कीमती है, बड़े मेहनत से इसको हमने बनाया है, आप ध्यान दीजिए। एसबीआई एंट्रेंस के लिए ये एसबीआई एंट्रेंस के लिए आस्था डिफेंस एकेडमी ने बनाई हुई ये बहुत महत्वपूर्ण यादी है। Travels, travelogue. Fixed sum of money paid to somebody as income in his lifetime. Fixed sum of money paid to somebody as income in his lifetime. One word for this is annuity. ANNUITY, annuity. Now the words begin with G. Give something as a security for debt. Give something as a security for debt. It's a mortgage. MORTGAGE, mortgage. Then government by elected representatives. Government by elected representatives. One word for this is democracy. DEMOCRACY, democracy. Then Government by officials. Government by officials. Bureaucracy. 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 Next, government by one person with absolute power, which has been obtained by force, not by election. One word for this is autocracy. AUTOCRACY, autocracy. Next, girl or woman who has not experienced sexual union, virgin. It is called virgin. VIRGIN, virgin. Girl or woman who has not experienced sexual union, and one word for this is virgin. VIRGIN. Next, giving a personal or special favor to a person in employment. Giving a personal or special favor to a person in employment. It's a nepotism. NEPOTISM, nepotism. Government by elected representatives without a monarch. Government by elected representatives without a monarch. One word for this is republic. RAPUBLIC, republic. Next, government by persons of highest social order. Highest social order is important. Government by persons of highest social order. One word for this is aristocracy. ARISTOCRACY, aristocracy. Now the word begin with यच. अच्छी तरह से याद कीजिए, ध्यान दीजिए. This is important for your entrance of SPI. Handwriting that can be easily read. Handwriting that can be easily read, legible, LEGIBLE. Next, hater of learning. Hater of learning, hazologist. Hazologist. Hater of learning. Spelling, MISOLOGIST. Spelling, look at the spelling please. MISOLOGIST. Mesologist. MISOLOGIST. Mesologist.
तुमचा कॉल आला तर डिस्टर्ब होतो. हे पण चालूच असतं. ते चालूच राहतं सर एकदम. स्वतःहून बंद केलं तेव्हा बंद होतं. कोणचं फोन आला की फोन आला की पोस्ट पॉवर शिफ्ट होऊन जाते कोणाला ऑटोमॅटिक होते ना. त्याच्यानंतर फोन कट झाल्यानंतर परत पोस्ट आपण होऊन जाते. सेशन चालूच राहतं सर. ते सेशन चालूच राहतं, ते कमी बंद होत नाही. जोपर्यंत सेशन संपत नाही किंवा पोस्ट बंद करत नाही स्वतःवर एंड करत नाही. एंड मीटिंग चालू पण एंडचा
Year of marriage. Mesogamist. Having a bad smell or taste. Foul.
Howl.
Happening at the same time. Happening at the same time. Simultaneous. 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 Header of books. Mesobiblic. Misobiblic. Having a common terminus or boundary. Having a common terminus or boundary. Quaterminous. 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 Next word, hiding of true feelings. Hiding of true feelings. Dissimulation. 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 Next, house for storing grains. House for storing grains. And for this one word is there, granary. 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 Next, having a double or doubtful meanings. Having a double or doubtful meanings. Ambiguous. 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 Next, highly developed or to appealing to a mature mind. Highly developed or to appealing to a mature mind. It's a sophisticated. 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 Sir, doubt session. Dear students, no talking please. Now we start our doubt session. When you have some queries about the words, you have to ask from the list and follow the order or the sequence of the alphabetical order. First, you will raise your hand and then you will be called. At that time you can ask. For the next 10 minutes, we will have our doubt session. Please. Abhijit, ask.
Yes, sir. Sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir. Hello, sir.
याच्या व्यतिरिक्त येणार नाही का शेअर स्क्रीन हे केल्याशिवाय कन्फर्म माहिती द्यायचा कारण ती शेअर स्क्रीन महत्वाची हा बाजूला चालतं मी चालतो नंबर वाइज वरती येते Abhijit, please.
Yes, sir.
Yes, please.
Sir, yes, sir. In B section, this one word answer. In B section, a building or place where dead peoples are kept. Sir, in this graveyard word is also there.
In B section, just a moment.
Okay, sir.
Please tell me. In B section.
Yes, sir. A building or place. Yes, building or a place where dead peoples are kept.
Building
Or a place where dead bodies are kept.
yes, building or place where dead bodies are kept. It's
Yes,
a
sir.
mortuary. Write down the spelling mortuary. Mortuary. At that time, I have told you the difference between crematorium and mortuary. Mortuary is a place where dead bodies are kept, and crematorium building in which bodies of dead people are burned. Yes. Next.
Yes, sir. But that bodies or place where dead bodies are kept, graveyard word is also there, no, sir? Graveyard.
If graveyard only option will be there, then you can choose it. Hello. There are
Okay,
multi
sir.
choice. Just one
Yes,
choice
sir.
will be there.
Yes. Thank you.
Are you
Graveyard where
yes.
so it will be not applicable for this one, no?
But
People
in
are
this
kept.
list, just one word is given, and when you attempt such kind of multiple choice questions, out of four, just one word will be there. And
Yes, sir.
Akshay,
So are you going to share after
our action. Okay, sir, will do. Now about this study we complete. That when all these lectures and session will be done, then this section you are talking about
section A?
just the moment. Anything that lasts for, is this right?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Anything that lasts for a short time and
Yes, sir.
leaves no trace. Okay?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Ephemeral is there. Ephemeral, ephemeral.
So the meaning of the sentence.
Sir, meaning of the sentence.
Ephemeral means not long lasting. Not long lasting. Short period of time. Momentary. Are the synonyms of this word. Just one single word will be there.
Sir, any example
These
to
are the
understand the sentence?
representative words for the one word substitution.
Okay,
Next.
sir. Thank you.
Okay. Welcome. Now last student.
Last student.
पण मग ते कॅमेरा असं केलं तर ते उलट होतं. अच्छा, you will do it. Thank you. Next, just one student.
One student.
Okay, students. Today we have completed some part of our one word substitution. This is the list
Yes, sir.
where very important words are taken. You have to remember this. You have to do them by heart. Study them better. We will again meet in our next session. Till then, goodbye.
Goodbye.
Sir.
Thank you.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye, sir.
Goodbye.
Goodbye, sir.
Thank you, sir. Bye, sir.
सर
Bye, bye.
नेक्स्ट सेशन कब होगा?
लेक्चर कब होने वाला है?
सर अगला सेशन कब है? सर नेक्स्ट सेशन कब है?
Just in case, sir,
I will inform
अगला सेशन कब है?
at 12:30 or 12:45 or 1 o'clock it will be advertising start. Please join the group and stay in waiting room. Once you got the teacher in the waiting room, I'll admit you all.
perfect time.
Till 3:30.
When did
Because
sir पहले सबके माइक बंद करो फिर बोलो.
and there is no perfect schedule for that because it is conference. Video conference never consists any schedules. Video conference never consists any fixed schedules. That's why I'll try to start it before 1 o'clock or 12:30 or 12:45. It will be automatically. Please try to join and stay in waiting room.
Okay, sir.
Sir, when?
Thank you, sir.
12:45.
I'm closing this session. Bye.
Sir, next session will start
Sir,
which time?